Hi everyone. As a faculty, the question often asked me is how to analyze a band test. So today I'm going to give you a three-step essential approach which will help you solve and analyze every mock exam, especially for the upcoming NEET PG. The first step has to be prioritizing your analysis. While you wish to analyze all the questions on the same day, it is very essential that you start off by analyzing your incorrect questions. The question is that why did you get it wrong? Is it because you were not aware of that topic? If not, then you have to add that information in your notes. Second possibility could be that you knew that, but not recall it on the day of your grad test or mock exam, which means that there is a recall error over here and that automatically becomes a topic that will go onto your list of revision, especially in the last week. You have to go through that particular topic. The third reason could be a silly mistake. While many students tend to make a list for the commonly made silly errors, but I just feel that once you make a silly mistake, you know it and your mind knows it that you're not going to repeat it. But if you still feel that there are certain mistakes which are being repeatedly over and over again, then write them down and you can just scan through that list one day before the exam. The next essential step, of course, becomes analyzing your bottom 3 to 5 subjects, and they are never going to be the same. Every time you give a grad test, once you are done with the entire analysis, go through the bottom 3 to 5 subjects. Usually, they are pharmacology, anatomy, biochemistry, microbiology. Reason is that these are volatile and they require a decent revision. So if you do not revise them recently, you're not going to get them right. So now that you have the bottom 3 to 5 subjects, you now have a list for the upcoming week where you are going to revise these particular subjects and then appear for another grand test or mock test the following week. Now you will automatically see a jump in the score of these subjects also and overall in your grand test. But if that next grand test, you will now have another list of bottom 3 to 5 subjects and the cycle continues. The third and the most essential advice for every grand test as well as in life is learn to move on. You will do errors in every grand test. Sometimes you will do the same mistake. Sometimes your mind will come up with an altogether different mistake which you've never seen yourself committing earlier. But then the point is that you work on it, you make sure that you improve yourself and you move on because you've done your bit, and beyond that, there is not much under your control. So don't sit and sulk over your mistakes. Learn from them, move on and give it your best shot. Wishing you all the very best for your upcoming mock exams as well as for NEET PG. If you have any other queries regarding this strategy for analysis for GD, put it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. All the very best. God bless.